Hi, it's Pamela. In this tutorial, we're going to create a whiteboard-style recruitment ad using Doodly.
Hey, and welcome to the official Doodly YouTube channel. If you enjoy our content, please click the like and subscribe button below. Now let's get straight to the video.
Whether you're promoting a position on social media or want to showcase your company culture, a whiteboard video is an unusual way to do that. Today, we'll pretend that we're creating a hiring video for Acme Widgets, our fictional company. They are looking to recruit a marketing assistant, and they want the ad to feel creative and friendly. I wrote a very short script, and I asked ChatGPT to make a little storyboard with the visuals, and it came out pretty good. So we're going to use this as our model. It's not going to necessarily look exactly like that because our images are going to be our own. But I think this will be fun. We'll just do these little squares, kind of cartoon panel style, and fill them in. The first thing that we're going to need to do is create a square format video. And that's certainly easy enough to do. If you're already having a video started, go down here to Settings, Resolution, choose Facebook and Instagram, and that turns it to 1000 pixels wide by 1000 pixels high, and that's perfect. And we now have the square format. I'm going to keep this for the moment. We're going to use it as a cheat sheet. So I want my squares and I want these little rectangles. So I'm going to bring those in now. So go to props, hit the little blue and white plus sign, and we're going to drag and drop. Here they are. I'm going to go ahead and bring the first one in and the second one in. And I want to resize these together. So Control or Command click to get them both selected. We want to leave enough room here for another square. Okay, this will be close. Let's duplicate this. Right click, select all. Right click, align center. It just lines them up. That looks good. I'm going to copy and paste this. That also looks good. As far as the order goes, we want this one to be first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So let's make sure that's first. This is fifth, this is sixth. Okay, they should be in order now. Selecting them all, hitting the gear icon, and I'm going to make them half a second duration. That just takes care of all of them at once. These I do want to fade on. I could have them draw on, but I don't think we're going to have the time to do a lot of drawing. So let's go ahead and deselect, and let's go through here. Click the pencil icon, reveal mode instead of draw, turn that to fade. Save and return. I'm going to do that on all of them. So if we look at the video, these will fade on like so. And of course, we're going to have the scenes inside each of them. So each scene will be placed in between these. Our first scene is going to be somebody studying with a book and then this nice text on top. So let's get the text. Go to text, find a font. I like this one. It's hand-drawn and it's really easy to read. Be a fine balance. Oopsie. See how that just moved? Let's lock it. To do that, right click, choose lock. And we'll do that on all of these. All right, I think this size will be pretty good. Let's place it where we want it. Go to characters. Let's see, study. Oops. I think we could use Lewis here. We'll grab him real quick. And let's see what other options we have with him, because we'll probably want him in some of these other scenes. And I think we have enough different poses that would work. So he's going to be our main character today. If we want, we could have him kind of sitting there like that. That would be cute. And then we need some icons. So light bulbs, play button, megaphone, etc. So props. Let's try idea. Here we go. Okay, so I have built the graphics for each of the scenes and placed them in order, but they are all way too long. Look, we're at 1 minute and 5 seconds already because everything's at the default of 3 seconds each. this is going to be way too long for something this simple. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to adjust the timing and get this down here somewhere, 10 seconds maybe a little longer. So bear with me, I'll be right back. All right, I am back. I have shortened it, just made my adjustments. I did add the voiceover while I was paused. I did it in little sections so that I could move them around freely as I was making my adjustments. To do the voiceover, if you don't know how, you just go down here into the timeline and press the little plus button. It turns into a red microphone. When you're ready to speak, just start talking. So here I am talking, this is a test, and when I'm done, I hit stop. And there it is. And then you can slide it around as needed, which is what I did over there. And if you want to delete it, just hit delete. So it's about 30 seconds of drawing and talking. I want to add a little bit of time at the end, so go to scene settings and add time. I'm just going to add like 10 seconds, just so the video stays on this last screen. Now that it's built, I want to do some camera moves so that we're looking at each box individually. So you do that over here in the camera panning and zoom tools section. So place your playhead at the beginning, somewhere where you're going to do the effect. Hit the plus sign. You get the little effect little box here. Click that. And you'll see your start and end screens. Unlock start. We're going to start zoomed in on this first square. Something like that. We're also going to end on this first square. What I'm trying to do is get these about the same size so there's actually not a movement. Are you a creative thinker and storyteller? I'm okay with it. Widgets is hiring a mark. Now we want to move over to the next one, so hit plus. And you see it starts here as we ended on the other one. And now we want it to end here. Acme Widgets is hiring a marketing assistant to join our dynamic team. From managing campaigns, I would like it to go faster, so I'm going to make that shorter. Acme Widgets is hiring a marketing assistant to join our dynamic team. Now we need to move from here to here, and we need to do it quickly. So another scene. Move that down to about where we want that to happen. Let's make it short. And let's go ahead and click in. So we're going to leave start alone. And we're going to put end down here, like so. Okay, for apply today and join us here, I'm going to zoom out full screen. So one last camera move. And again, it can be slow, I think, on this one. It's starting here and we want it to end full screen. So do this, hit apply. Sure that values your ideas. Apply today and help us build something amazing. Okay, that was maybe a little too slow. Of course, you could add music if you like, using the sound tabs, categories, music. Pick a song that you like, place it in the timeline. Turn the volume way down to like 10% so the voiceover doesn't get drowned out. Shrink it to fit. Right click, fade out, and then extend it for a slower fade. And that is that. Let's take a quick look and then we'll be done. Are you a creative thinker and storyteller? Acme Widgets is hiring a marketing assistant to join our dynamic team. From managing campaigns to creating content, you'll play a key role in shaping how our brand is seen. Enjoy flexible hours, great benefits, and a culture that values your ideas. Apply today and help us build something amazing. And there you have it. That's how you can create a recruitment video using Doodly. I hope this gives you some ideas. Thank you for watching.